We live in a world where at the same time we fight obesity, which causes around 2.8 million deaths each year, and world hunger, which causes another 9 million deaths. 2020 and 2021 will go down in the history as a year of coronavirus pandemic. But the head of the UN World Food Programme has warned of another threat on the horizon: hunger pandemic. Around 700 million people went without food in 2019. This means 1 out of 7 went without food. However, our planet produces enough to feed its entire population. Theoretically, therefore, hunger should not exist at all. We spend thousands of dollars on the grocery bill, but we waste a huge amount of what we buy. Globally, 40% of the food we produce never gets eaten. That is around 165 million kilograms of food each day. Just in Australia, each person generates about 300 kilograms of food waste each year. By the end of the century, we will welcome person number 11 billion. Experts agree that our planet can definitely produce enough food to support the 11 billion. But can we do it in ways that are environmentally responsible, and whether safe and nutritious food will be distributed fairly? If all the food currently thrown in landfills every year was instead directed into meals for those in need, we would have been able to feed as many as 1.8 billion people. On top of the food waste, has been estimated to be responsible for roughly 8% of global emissions. If it was a country, it would have ranked third under China and United Nations for yearly greenhouse gas emissions. Ultimately, we should balance people and resources. Thus, we have built our Zeroo App on 4 pillars of food security, that is, availability, access, utilization, and stability. The Zeroo App is powered by a machine learning model which tries to predict the user's purchase patterns and from where it's usually bought to give suitable product recommendation. This machine learning model takes data points from purchase history as input and provides recommendation value of each product to facilitate optimum buying decisions and avoid blind purchases, which reduces food wastage. How the app works is, user just needs to input the product and its expiry, and a reminder mechanism will product a notification when the product is at a safe interval from its expiry date. Now, the user has an option to donate that product to the nearby NGO to avoid food going to waste. When the user chooses to donate, it will show the nearest available NGO that is in lookout for that product and get directions to the dropout center. Whenever a user donates the product, the NGO will get notification that a particular user wants to donate the product along with its expiry date. An explanatory analysis was done to facilitate NGOs' inventory planning, based on which they can accept suitable donations and maximize the efficiency as well as meet the demands. Now, when the product is accepted, automatically some tokens get added to the user's wallet. Once the wallet reaches a certain token threshold, then he or she can use that token to get some discount on the next purchase. Thank you, and let's hope for a world with zero hunger and zero waste.